If you want to upgrade your driving safety in 2026, a Mirror Dash Cam is one of the smartest investments you can make. These devices don't just record your front and rear view, they also add advanced safety features like parking assistance, blind spot detection, GPS tracking, and even voice control. In today's video, I'll show you the top 5 best Mirror Dash Cams of 2026 that offer the best mix of video quality, smart features, and reliability. Whether you're a daily commuter, rideshare driver, or road trip lover, this list will help you choose the right one for your car. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. 12-inch Mirror Dash Cam 4K UHD front plus 2.5K rear. This model comes with a large 12-inch full display and records in 4K UHD front plus 2.5K rear. It also includes ADAS, BSD, LCA smart driving alerts, GPS tracking, G-sensor, loop recording, parking monitor, voice control, and fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi. This is a feature-packed all-rounder Mirror Dash Cam. The large screen gives you a clear rear view while driving, and the 4K front camera captures very sharp details like license plates, even at night or high speed. ADAS and BSD make driving safer by alerting you about lane departures and blind spots. Pros: true 4K front recording, 2.5K rear camera quality, ADAS plus BSD safety features, GPS tracking included, voice control support, smooth Wi-Fi connectivity. Cons: slightly premium price, large screen may block smaller mirrors. Number 2. Pelsee P12 Pro 4K Mirror Dash Cam. This one offers 4K front plus 1080p rear recording, ADAS, BSD, GPS, voice control, color night vision, and a 12-inch touchscreen. It also includes a 32GB memory card. The Pelsee P12 Pro stands out for its smooth touchscreen and excellent night vision performance. The 4K front camera produces sharp and stable footage, and the rear camera is reliable for reversing and parking. It's also very user-friendly, making it great for beginners. Pros: 4K front camera clarity, excellent night vision, easy touchscreen controls, built-in GPS, voice control system, includes memory card. Cons: rear camera is only 1080p, app transfer speed could be faster. Number 3. WOLFBOX G930 10-inch Mirror Dash Cam. The WOLFBOX G930 features a 10-inch display, 4K front and rear recording, WDR technology, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, GPS, parking monitor, reverse assist, and comes with a 64GB card. This is one of the most balanced mirror dash cams. The 10-inch screen is compact but clear, making it perfect for smaller vehicles. Video quality is excellent thanks to WDR, which improves low light performance. It also comes with a strong build quality and reliable software stability. Pros: 4K front and rear recording, strong night performance, WDR, includes 64GB storage, compact 10-inch design, reliable system stability. Cons: smaller display than competitors, fewer AI driving features. Number 4. AZDOME 4K plus 2.5K Mirror Dash Cam. This AZDOME model offers 4K front plus 2.5K rear recording, AR driving alerts, ADAS plus BSD, LCA, GPS, voice control, Wi-Fi, and includes a 64GB card. This is one of the most advanced AI-based mirror dash cams on the list. The AR driving alerts give real-time visual warnings on screen, which makes driving much safer. The camera quality is excellent, especially in daytime conditions, and the system feels very modern and responsive. Pros: 4K plus 2.5K high-resolution recording, AR smart driving alerts, strong ADAS plus BSD system, Includes 64GB card. Smooth UI and controls. Cons: slight learning curve for setup. Slightly bulky rear camera cable setup. Number 5. Mirror Dash Cam with CarPlay and Android Auto 4K. This model is unique because it includes Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support, along with 4K front and rear recording, reverse assist, loop recording, G-sensor, voice control, split screen, and 64GB card. This is the most modern and smart entertainment-focused mirror dashcam. If you want both safety and smart connectivity, this is the best option. CarPlay and Android Auto make navigation, calls, and music extremely convenient while driving. Pros: CarPlay plus Android Auto support, 4K dual recording, smooth split-screen display, voice control included, great for modern smart cars. Cons: slightly less focus on ADAS features. Interface can feel busy for some users. And that's a wrap on today's top 5 best mirror dashcams of 2026. All the products we covered offer great safety, clear recording quality, and smart features to make your driving experience much safer and more convenient. Now it just comes down to your budget and what features matter most to you. If you want, I can also help you compare any two models or suggest the best one specifically for your car type. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest tech reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.